So done a video, so now we're going to do some JavaScript again. I did one in an earlier tutorial, so this is introductory, so very basic, but just a fun little thing you can do just to get acquainted with the script. Now I've got to figure out what I'm doing here. So I want a function within the web page to ask the person browsing whether they want to Google. So how we do that? Well, I'm going to create this function here. So function move on, and a bracket, break them up, and then what I want here is a right. So I want a variable. Oops. And it's going to ask the question in a confirm box, which is a pop-up box in the browser. Would you like to Google? And okay, now I better check what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to have an if statement. So there'll be either a yes or no answer, and if answer, oops, is yes, I think is the if answer, that's all I need. Yeah, if answer, so if an okay will be given, that's what it wants. Window location. What have I done here? I've put a full stop there. I really don't need it. Yep. Okay. So this is syntax. Obviously, one of the harder parts of programming initially for the beginner is making sure you know your full stops and semicolons and things like that. And it's just practice, I guess. But I'm still learning it. Obviously, I'm pretty poor at this sort of stuff. I'm showing this anyway. Okay, now I need a web address. So, right, so google.com, and close that. And now I need to I'm going to set a timer here. So that's set time, oops, is that with a capital O? Set time out, no it's not, set time out, then move on, which is here, and so in other words, do this function and do it and then set a time. So I'm going to say after 20 seconds. And save, and I'll just check if that works. So I'll load my browser up, right, and now just wait to see if wait 20 seconds for the box to appear asking whether or not I want to Google. So this could take a bit, 20 seconds could seem like an eternity, but we'll see. Here we go. Would you like to Google? Right, okay. And hey, thank you for being this tutorial.